This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is Sweet Summertime. Our hosts are At Home with Gigi and Rustic and Lace DIY. Please check out their amazing channels and all the creators in the playlist. Today I will be doing butterfly, red, white, and blue decor. That is what I'm decorating for summer. Okay, let's open our frame. This is going to be super simple for summer. Let's open our frame up. Get all that stuff out of there. I'm going to take the glass out too, because I'm going to paint the frame. They didn't have white ones, so we're going to just paint the frame. Make sure to get the inside. You want a real thick, if you want it really covered well, you're going to have to do probably 2 or 3 coats. I'll see how many I think I need. I think I'm going for more of a rustic look. Make sure to get the outside of the frame. Let's talk about things we could do with our picture frame. We could turn the picture frame and do this. And add our wallpaper like this. Isn't that pretty wallpaper? It came from the Dollar Tree. And you could make a square and do lines with red ribbon or red ribbon roses and make a really, really pretty American flag. Or I want to do mine, but I don't want it to be so in your face patriotic, so I'm going to do something a little different than that. And this is peel and stick. Let's see how well I do with it. Okay, we're going to add some wood glue. Along the edge. Then we're going to add these beads. far we're gonna go. I thought I'd need 2 of these. I don't know. Okay. My guess was two sets. You can add hot glue on this. I'm gonna just let this set and dry. And let's see, okay. Gonna add one right there. Come on. Oh, that isn't what I wanted to do. There we go. Here I got a hold of it, which it was, oh, it's just one, look, oh, that ain't good. Okay, let's line this corner up. Okay, let's line that corner up right here, and we'll trim. I got these little flowers. I thought this would be pretty to add the red into my red, white, and blue photo. Because I have this tablecloth. Some of you have probably seen it. I use on my entryway table. It's red, white, and blue butterfly, which I kind of stick into that theme, but I don't have very much decor that has butterflies and both butterflies in red, white, and blue. So I thought I'd add some red flowers to this here and there to give me a red, white, and blue element, yet still has my butterflies. There we go. Now we'll add our picture frame. Okay, come back here. Fold our little holders back. And here's our red, white, and blue picture. Make sure I'm gonna trim the rope off. Since it's already glued in, we don't really need it. There we go. Okay, let's make our pot rustic. We're gonna start by painting it black. And just kind of dry brush it a little. And we're gonna do the whole pot this way. Okay, make sure you get the lip. And with it being, since I dry brush, yes, there's places that's not completely covered. That's okay. If it's not covered with this coat, it'll be covered with the next. Okay, this is our pot. It's dried. We're going to take some old coffee. It can be instant. This is just stuff that's been sitting around a long time. And we're gonna add that to our pot. And the thicker you put the coffee, the more rustic it looks. And then after it dries, we're gonna spray this for outside. And the more coats of coffee you put on it, the kind of rustic, more rustic it looks. And the darker your coffee is, the more rustic it looks. So this is where you want really strong coffee. You know, where you have that stuff that sets around till your spoon melts off. That's okay. Let's start out by wiping off the pot. Just enough to get those coffee grounds off. And I cut a butterfly out of our peel and stick paper from Dollar Tree. And I thought, well, I'd just unpeel that and we would stick that on the side of our pot. Well, that isn't working. Okay, let's start with getting our butterfly put on. You could use Mod Podge. I'm gonna just hot glue it. If you could get it unpeeled, if you unpeeled it before you started to cut, I think you could get it off, but I didn't do that. Next, I'm gonna add these coming out of the pot. So I'm gonna just add some hot glue and add these coming out of our pot so it'll match our frame. And then I have some greenery. I'm gonna push the stems more to the end. Get rid of those nasty tags. We're gonna add these in. These are just more like filler flowers. I'm gonna just add those in our pot. Here is our little frame and our little pot with our flowers.